Hello and welcome to the world of connected machine tools. I'm happy that you're interested in how to transfer the correct and most current CNC program to your machines. Many companies today still believe that they have successfully completed the construction of the machinery network by connecting them with a network cable. Often, it is left to the machine operator or the CAM programmer to find the correct and current CNC program from confusingly structured and unstructured data directories. The worst case is that there is still an old CNC program that is used on the machine control. No wonder that at some point the employees are only busy comparing different data statuses with each other, which consequently takes a lot of time. Not to mention how no other task can be done during this time, and possibly even the machine tool is at a standstill during this time. You won't believe it, but we still help many companies that once carried the data to machine on foot with a USB stick. This is what experts call a sneaker net. Is this how digitalization works? We have the right solution for this problem in the form of an app. With the DNC app from Evo Jetstream, you can ensure that only the most current CNC program for a pending machining operation is available in the machine without having to compare programs beforehand. I would like to use a tablet computer to show you how easy it is to transfer the right program to the machine tool. In the app, different options are available for DNC data transfer to the machine control. Here I will show you how you can get the right CNC program on the machine tool simply by entering the component or article number. Which part you need the CNC program for, you know from the production order or the part drawing. When you enter the part number, the CNC programs for the respective setting and the machine are displayed. Now you only need to select the CNC program that you want to have transferred to the machine. After the successful transfer to the machine tool, you will see that the data has been successfully transferred to the machine tool. With the DNC app, the machine operator has a much easier time finding the right program and transferring it to the machine tool. Customers use tablets, computers, touch PCs, or even the user interface of the machine control to transfer CNC programs. Instead of typing in numbers and letters of part numbers, the operator can, of course, also scan a barcode with the part number to transfer the correct CNC program to the machine tool for manufacturing. How long do you want to leave the chaotic data storage in file directories or on machine tools? If you liked how the right CNC program can be transferred to the machine tool, I would be happy if you contacted us. We would be pleased to also equip you with this DNC app for your networked machine tools. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. See you next time.